6 English short conversations. In this video, first you will listen and after that you will choose the correct answer. Let's get started this video. Excuse me. Yes, please. How can I help you? I am looking for a beautiful mug. Here are these. We have in red color and blue as well as black. These are beautiful. I can't decide which color should I take. Actually, it's my brother's birthday. Then the blue is perfect for him. Okay, I will take this one. Which mug did she take? Choose the right one. A blue mug. Topic 2. Susan, I'm feeling hungry. Let's go out. Sounds great. Where should we go? Do you like seafood? Not really. What about a cheese pizza? I ate last night. Then let's eat hamburgers. Fine, let's go. What are they going to eat? A pizza or a hamburger? A hamburger. Topic 3. Susan, I got a job. Wow, where? In a high school. I will be teaching English. Fantastic, your English is really good. Yeah, I need to get up early in the morning. I will wake you up. So nice of you. Wake me up at 8 a.m. Got it. What time will he get up? At 8 a.m. Topic 4. David, it's a beautiful day today. Yes, it is. Look, there's a new cafe. Let's have some coffee. Sounds good. Come on. What are they going to drink? Coffee. Topic 5. Welcome to Superstore. How can I help you? I'm looking for some shirts. Follow me, sir. Here are these. I really like this one. Do you have this shirt in red color? This shirt comes in red, black, and blue color. Great. I will take it in red color. Which color did he like? Red color. It's really hot day today. Yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm feeling thirsty. I will get something to drink. What would you like to drink? A Coke, please. Okay, I will be right back. What is he going to drink? A Coke.